चीफ गेस्ट एमडी साहब तीन गाड़ियां चार गाड़ियां আজকে আমরা রিভিউ করব আমরা এমডি এবং গেস্টের হাতে फेमस जो हम अभी
vehicle in Tripura. Actually, from ONGC side, we are also trying because our company they have taken a stand that to phase out all the that diesel run or petrol run vehicles. Instead of that, electric vehicle or CNG vehicles they will introduce. In that mission, first we coordinated Tata Motors. What is their status? Also Mahindra and other. Then they also took interest. They brought their officials from Calcutta office. But we are also trying how to take this vehicle. Earlier we are trying that some SL through other agency through lease system we want to take this. Of course, from operational point of view, Nexon we preferred, but at that time we are told that Nexon is not possible for commercial purpose. The registration is not possible. Tripura, they took up the matter with the government also. Several discussions and several efforts they made. Then ultimately Tata Motors they convinced the state government that registration will be done, and accordingly we are lucky that through Tata Motors this express T the first time is coming. इसके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ. From customer side, they should analyze what is the requirement of the different customers that the company should analyze. Most probably they are doing this, but whether we require it or not, that is a push-pull system in the marketing strategy that is to be done. Because in Agar Tripura, ONGC is the biggest public sector undertaking who are utilizing these vehicles. So they should have more proactive, I can say, because in other part of the country they have already introduced. 2-3 weeks back, even at Bombay, our CMD he inaugurated this first electric vehicle at Bombay. 4 vehicles, of course. Similarly, we are also doing, but little bit we are lagging because we are thinking that it will be introduced. It should have been introduced last year, but anyway, because of that registration issues and all these things, it has happened. But ultimately, it has happened. In that way, through our vendor, Mrs. Sangeeta Singh, they will be providing this vehicle. And in future course of time, other vendors also, hopefully they will be providing these services to ONGC. Anyway, एक पहला कदम है ONGC का तरफ से अगर त्रिपुरा में that pollution free, environmental friendly vehicles we are introducing. In that way, we are also very much hopeful that it will be very much successful. And in the future course of time, we will be getting all the services, particularly our vendors, they will be getting all the services, and also that required infrastructure, say battery charging facilities will be installed. And I will request that authorities, Tata Motors, they will prefer to set up their charging stations in the vicinity of ONGC so that our vendors can easily charge it. Thank you to all.